What if I told you, the best Chromebook of 2025 costs less than $300 but outperforms $1,000 laptops? Dramatic pause. We tested 15 models, and these 5 will blow your mind. Sound effect, keyboard typing. Spoiler, one is a beast for gamers, another lasts 48 hours on battery, and number 3 might just replace your MacBook. Pause. All purchase links are in the description. Let's dive in. Number 1. Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5i. The IdeaPad Flex 5i Chromebook is simple to use. Just log into your Google account and you're ready to go with access to your email, documents, calendar, and more. Laptop or tablet, why not both? With a 13-inch FHD touchscreen, you can use your Lenovo Chromebook the way that works best for you to browse online, listen to music, stream movies, or video chat with friends. With the streamlined Chrome OS packed with the latest features, this convertible Chromebook offers a quick and nimble system response time. The IdeaPad Flex 5i Chromebook streams audio that's surprisingly loud and clear for a compact device, thanks to its enhanced stereo speakers and built-in amplifier that's certified by Waves Audio. Watch and stream shows and videos with no distractions, thanks to the narrow bezels and wider viewing angles on the Full HD IPS displacer. Number 2. Acer Chromebook Plus 515. The best of Google. In a laptop, Chromebooks run Chrome OS, the fast, secure operating system from Google, with built-in Google apps like Gmail, Gemini, Docs, Photos, YouTube, and more. Get Google AI Pro, 2 terabytes of storage, and more for 12 months at no cost. Boost your productivity and creativity with 12 months of Google AI Pro now, including Notebook LM on us when you purchase a Chromebook Plus. 1. The power to do more. A 2x faster Intel Core i3-1305U processor and up to double the memory and storage, so you can edit files while watching your favorite shows in Full HD** with up to 10 hours of battery life***. When compared to top-selling Chromebooks in 2024, actual battery life may be lower and will vary significantly based on factors like network conditions, location, settings, and usage. The magic of Gemini. Convert handwriting into editable text, simplify jargon-filled content, remove photo distractions, and get questions answered by Gemini Star. Check responses for accuracy. Internet connection. Availability may vary by device, country, and language. Advanced apps for work and play. Stay productive with Microsoft 365. 2. Create with Adobe Photoshop. 3. Edit videos with LumaFusion, and get your game on with GeForce Now. All your favorite apps and more are just a click away. Number 3. Acer Chromebook Spin 714. The best of Google. In a laptop, Chromebooks run Chrome OS, the fast, secure operating system from Google, with built-in Google apps like Gmail, Gemini, Docs, Photos, YouTube, and more. Get Google AI Pro, 2 terabytes of storage, and more for 3 months at no cost. Boost your productivity and creativity with 3 months of Google AI Pro now, including Notebook LM on us when you purchase a Chromebook. 1. Starts fast, won't slow you down. Chromebooks start up in under 10 seconds, and run automatic updates behind the scenes to deliver performance that's full speed ahead. Chat with Gemini, supercharge your ideas, right from your home screen. Get help planning, writing, learning, and more. 2. Never had a virus, no need to worry. 3. Breathe easy knowing your security and privacy are covered with built-in protection and the Titan C2 security chip. The apps you know and love, popular apps for streaming, gaming, creating, and staying organized are all available on Google Play. Easily access Microsoft 365, 4, Minecraft, Adobe Express, and more. Number 4. Lenovo Chromebook Duet. Encased in a sleek, full-metal chassis with Corning glass, the Lenovo Chromebook Duet 11 is as stylish as it is functional. The soft polyurethane folio case and thoughtful kickstand design allow for effortless transitions between laptop and portrait modes, perfect for work, play, or anything in between. Number 5. Acer Chromebook Plus 516. Liberate your play. No installs. No downloads. No hassle. Immerse yourself in cloud gaming, Play your favorite PC games on NVIDIA GeForce Now from anywhere. Over 1,800 games are supported, including 100 plus free-to-play games. The power to do more performance is just the beginning with the new Chromebook Plus, with an Intel 10-core 5120U processor, 8GB LPDDR4X 4266 MHz memory and 256GB PCIe SSD storage. More power means faster gameplay. The CPU performance is excellent, enough to replace Intel Core i7 processor. Google AI Chromebook Plus empowers you to achieve more with AI-powered Google and Adobe apps, seamlessly integrated for productivity and creativity. Dive into built-in Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides to craft documents, or manage budgets. Unleash your imagination with the Google Photos app, featuring AI-enhanced tools like Magic Eraser to remove distractions and HDR effects for vibrant visuals, alongside intuitive movie creation tools. All this comes with Chromebook's signature layered security, keeping viruses at bay and ensuring peace of mind. Excellent visual and connectivity elevate your work and play on a stunning 16-inch WQXGA, 2560 by 1600, narrow bezel display with 120Hz refresh rate and 100% sRGB for vibrant, fluid visuals. Experience theater-quality DTS audio, powered by quad speakers with active force-canceling woofers for deep, distortion-free sound. Enjoy seamless connectivity with Wi-Fi 6E and a 2.5G Ethernet port for lag-free gaming, plus USB-C, HDMI 2.1, and USB 3.2 Gen 1 for high-speed peripherals. So, which Chromebook would you pick? Pause, smash that like button if number 1 shocked you, and comment your dream budget below. Fast pace, subscribe now, we're revealing a huge Chromebook scam next week. Whisper, you won't believe what we found. All links are below. See you in the next one.